Welcome back. We are on to step 3, analyzing the data. We just finished cleaning the data, removing the rows that we didn't need. I already checked off those boxes in the markdown file. So we can move on to step 3. And so this is where the fun starts. It's actually digging in and finding out what the data says. What is the number of total applicants? How many students are there? How many veterans are there? All these things that we can gain insights from the data. But first, we're going to need to use some functions that maybe sound familiar from the earlier part of the module. Some of these might be new. The functions that we'll use are count, countif, sum, sumif, max, maxif, average, average if. So let's get started. Going to our Google Doc. Again, I'll hide this. So we've got so much data, and we got to figure out how to make sense of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to start a new tab, and I'm going to rename it functions. So here, I'm just going to copy and paste those questions. And the way that I like to analyze data is in a question format. What is the number of total applicants? Answer the question using a formula, or in a future case, we'll use pivot tables, but we're going to start with functions. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to say, what were the total applicants? I'm going to paste that. No, and right up here, I'm going to say fun with functions. So I can remember what I'm doing. How many total applicants are there? Let's go back. How many applicants were assigned a cohort? Paste that in. So pause, do this with me, and we'll paste all these questions and then come back.